Hey friends, and welcome. Today I have a $10 dinner to share with you, and it's chicken tacos. My family really enjoyed this recipe, so I'm excited to share it with you. Some of the ingredients that you'll need are taco sauce, corn, black beans, some cheese. I'm using mild cheddar, and I'm going to save a little money by shredding that myself, some garlic, and some tortillas. We like flour tortillas. And then I have 3 chicken breasts over here boiling. I'm going to go ahead and shred up that chicken. A little tip for you, you could put this chicken in a bowl and use a hand mixer to shred it, and it will shred super fast, super easy, but on this night I just used 2 forks. And then I decided to add in some onion. Our family really likes onion, so I'm going to chop up this half of a medium-sized onion and have that ready to go in. Now, if your family doesn't like onion, by all means, leave it out. That is the joy of cooking in your own kitchen. Do what works for you. I'm just going to go ahead and get this onion chopped up. And then I'm going to put everything into a skillet. I already had the chicken in there, and then I drained and rinsed the black beans and drained the corn. And then I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of garlic. This did not have a very strong garlic flavor. If you really like garlic, maybe you want to add a little bit more. And if you don't like it, you can just leave it out altogether. And then I'm going to put in probably about 3/4 a cup of that taco sauce. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that onion in. And then as far as seasonings, I had about half a packet of ranch in the pantry that I decided to go ahead and add in with some salt and pepper. And then we're just going to heat this on medium-high heat for a few minutes to let everything combine really well and let the onion soften up just a little bit. We decided that this would also be very good on nachos. So next time we may get some tortilla chips and try to make these chicken nachos with this mixture. Here's a close-up look at all that deliciousness that's going on in the skillet. And then I have my oven preheated to 350. And while that was preheating, I shredded about half that block of cheese. It ended up being probably a little over a cup of cheese. And then we're just going to go ahead and assemble the tacos and put them on a baking sheet in the oven for 5 or 6 minutes to let the tortillas warm up and let that cheese melt. And this cracks me up right here. Look at his face when he walks up. He's saying he doesn't want to eat supper. And then he realizes what we're having, and he tells me that it looks really good. We ended up serving this with some chips and guacamole and some sweet peppers, and the whole family really enjoyed it, kids and adults. Thank you so much for coming along with me to make this meal. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.